Welcome to the branching. We have reached to that point where we can understand what do we mean by branching. So when you talk about the branching in a Git, what do you mean by branching? Consider that this is your main repository. This is your main repository and it is having three features, 1, 2, 3. You can say ABC feature, PQR feature, LMN feature. These are the three features I am having. Presently Git VS Code demos, I have pushed ABC, PQR and the TXT. What I wanted to do, this is working fine. So all these features are working fine and we have deployed it to the production. We have deployed it to the prod. All these things are working super fine and we have deployed this to the prod. So here we can say ABC feature, PQR feature and LMN feature. This is the ABC feature, PQR feature and this is the LMN feature. That's what we have presently in our Git repository. ABC, PQR, XYZ. Okay, ABC, PQR and XYZ. Say XYZ. ABC, PQR and XYZ. And we have uploaded this code to the production. It is running on the production. Now what I want to do, I want to add a new feature. I want to add a new feature called as LMN. I wanted to add a new feature called as LMN. But I will take much secure approach. Instead, see, this is a working fully functional code. So this is a perfectly working code. So instead to touch this code, inside this repository only, I will create kind of a subfolder, right? Repository is main folder and I will create over here kind of subfolder and I will call it as branch feature PQR branch. So whenever you create the branch, whole and soul code of this branch is copied to this branch. Whole and soul code of this branch is copied to this branch and you will add one more file over here. You will add one more file over here which is named as LMN. So totally it would be having 4 files. ABC would be there, abc.txt would be there. Our each file is nothing but one feature, we can consider in that way, and XYZ would be there. So total this folder would be having, you can say, 4 files, but main branch would be having only 3 files at the moment. Now once you think that okay, this feature is completed, this feature branch, see what I'm saying, this feature branch would be getting merged. This feature branch would be getting merged to the main branch. The feature branch would be getting merged to the main branch. That operation is called as git merge. That operation is called as what? Git merge. So this is the branch we have, feature branch. So whenever work on the LMN would be getting completed, you will merge this with this. We have taken the safe approach because this is a running perfectly workable code. We don't want to touch it. We don't want to add anything over here. So we'll take a secure approach. So you'll create an LMN over here and they will make an integration with all other features. And if it is working well, you will merge it to the prod. What will happen? You will not touch the main code, main branch, and you will go on updating your another branch. So you may take the approach that for per feature, you can create a new branch. Every developer can create its own branch. every developer can create its own branch. You can do this thing also. So this mechanism is called as branching. This mechanism is called as branching. Now branching we can do by means of the code, commands, or we can do it by means of the VS Code, right? In the next video, we will see how we will do this thing by means of commands, how we will do branching by means of commands. I hope you have understood this session. If not, if you have any queries, write it into the chat box, comment box. Thank you.